Hello and welcome back to Tech Tip Thursdays, our weekly show where we share with you some simple tech tips and tools that could make your work as lawyers or law students that much easier, faster, and more accurate. Now, like any other lawyer, I'm sure you have to work with templates quite often. We have to pick up template documents, modify them to a given situation, fill in information at various places, and all of this takes a fair amount of time. There's also the possibility of making errors as you're modifying templates to suit the needs of a different situation. This really isn't work that we should have to do as lawyers or law students. So what's the solution? Introducing document assembly systems. These systems take the drudgery out of modifying templates for use in various situations off your hands, and they do this in a manner that is consistent, accurate, and fast. Let's take a look at one such document assembly system. Now, I've got open on my screen something called the Kata document assembly system, but most other systems will work in a similar fashion. When you log in, you'll see a list of templates that you could work with. Simply select the template that you want to work with and fill out the accompanying questionnaire. As soon as you do, you'll notice that any information that you supply is inserted in the appropriate places in the document, and depending on the situation at hand, modifications are made to the document in real time. Once you're done filling out all the questions in the questionnaire, or at least those for which you have information ready, download the generated document and boom, you will get the document based on your template, modified in accordance with the answers that you provided to your questionnaire, and not just that, all of it formatted in the manner that suits you. So go ahead. Give document assembly systems a shot and see if they work with you. Of course, modifying your templates for use with a document assembly system takes a little more work, and if you want to learn how to do that, do check out Lawyers Learn Technology, our introductory program to technology for lawyers and law students, one module of which covers exactly how to modify your templates for use with a document assembly system. See you next week, and until then, stay safe. Bye-bye.